You heard it right. This is my journey. I used to sell print-on-demand (POD) products on Etsy. However, I later transitioned from selling physical items to digital products on Etsy. I found this approach to be significantly advantageous for several reasons. No need to handle shipping logistics for customers. More free time as I don't have to manage customer care. Monthly passive income. During the year end, I can make up to $3K in profit without much effort. It's truly fantastic. So how can you boost your Etsy sales and elevate your business? Here's what I did, and I'll guide you through it. Look no further. In this article, we'll delve into 6 game-changing tips that have helped me personally achieve over $3,000 in sales on Etsy every month. Whether you're an experienced seller or just starting out, these strategies can make a significant impact on your success. This is a question that we all ponder when starting to sell on Etsy. Should I upload products regularly every day, or should I focus on creating a few high-quality listings and forget about the rest? I once tried uploading products consistently every day without paying much attention to quality. I attempted to upload as many as possible, only to find that it yielded minimal results, just a few sales per week. I started feeling demotivated after about a month. I then switched my approach, uploading fewer products and prioritizing those that customers liked the most. I focused on digital listings daily, ensuring that my store remained fresh. However, this required more time for market research. Investing time in answering questions like, what designs do customers prefer? What makes my design stand out from others? Why do I still feel dissatisfied with my designs after research? I spent more time creating a single product. The quantity of listings decreased, and I could only create a few new listings each week. I had high expectations for this new approach, but the results were still zero, even worse than the initial strategy. It was at this point that I discovered Etsy's algorithm. I changed my strategy to consistently upload 3-5 listings every day to keep my store fresh. This allowed me time for market research and new design ideas. During peak seasons, my sales increased even more. The challenge lies in the fact that each Etsy page shows about 64 listings to users. Every day, every hour, thousands of sellers upload new products. We're all competing for attention from a few dozen potential customers who evaluate the potential of our products. If the system detects that your product doesn't attract attention, it will hide it to make room for newer products. So, uploading many products in a day becomes meaningless if they lack quality. Similarly, uploading a few quality products but neglecting the daily upload routine is also ineffective. I hope this article is helpful for you. For me, these are practical experiences I've gained throughout my selling journey. Follow me for more articles like this. Feel free to ask for advice if you're selling on Etsy. I'll definitely support you.